Hi beauties, is my glasses? Yeah, I don't like the glare. Okay. Hi beauties, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Julani, and if you're returning, welcome back. So as you saw from the title of that video, today's video is going to be like a wind down type of video, like another like night routine type of video. But as you can see, I'm home now, so this will be like a fully in-depth, like, sorry I keep saying like, a fully in-depth video of what a night routine would kind of be. Also because I had to wash my hair, and as you can see, oh, go watch my maintenance vlog if you haven't seen that. That's when I got my hair done. In real time, it's been 3 weeks since that happened. So it's hair is human hair, and you know, once human hair is just out, it just gets dirty. You know, like hair gets dirty, it gets oily, it feels different. So that's kind of like what my natural hair is doing, and what the this hair is doing. So I want to kind of maintain it because I don't want to take it out yet. I still love the hair. Like, it still curls, it still, you know, does what needs to be done, and I still want to like crimp it and straighten it again and do other styles with it. I just want it to be clean so I can have the best quality. So I'll be washing it like it is my own. So I'm going to do that in the actual shower, so I'll show you that process. Maybe not exactly literally washing it, but definitely when I'm blow drying it, just to show you how I get it back to life. And yeah, we're just gonna wind down, maybe light a candle. Yesterday I took a bath and chef's kiss, and I was reading a book that I had accidentally left here, and I forgot about it until I saw it again. Like, yes, this book is so good. So I'm gonna show you guys that one because it's definitely one I would recommend, even though I didn't finish it yet. Okay, hi guys, sorry for the difference in the quality all of a sudden, but I'm editing. This is editing mode. But I just wanted to enter this was the book that I was talking about. It's called How to Make Friends with the Dark, and it's by Kathleen Glasgow. And this is the first time I'm reading a book by her, but when I was doing some research, a lot of the authors that I do read, like, I guess, I don't know if they're like friends, but like are in connection to her. So yeah, I was just like, I had to read it, but it's actually so good so far. It's like a I don't want to compare it to another author. It's really good. Basically, a girl, she's like high school age, she loses her mom. Like, her mom passes, so that happened pretty early. Like, you could see like that I'm not even that far in it. Basically, it's just about her navigating a little bit of her love life and just life without her mom now, because that's all she had. So yeah, it's about to be about her figuring that out. The mom actually just died the chapter before this, and it like took so much out of me because of her reaction, and then you're just thinking about how that actually feels. I'm very empathetic, so like I felt it, so that's why I had to stop, because it was getting too much for me. But it's just, y'all just have to read it. I'm not even far enough in it to give too much away anyway, so get the book, and then maybe we could read it together, and y'all could tell me how y'all liking it, what chapters y'all are on. I think that would be cute little book club situation. All right, but yeah, back on with the video. I just wanted to go into depth about that because I'm a book girly, and I was so excited to be talking about what I'm reading. Okay, but yeah, so probably read a little bit, just like chill. Like, it's fall / going into winter time. It's December, so you know, you get all the cozy vibes. And yeah, just spend the night with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe while we're at it, while we get set up, while we get prepped. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
As you can see, I'm out the shower. I washed my hair and did like my hygiene stuff. I just didn't put on lotion or anything yet because obviously I want to do that with you guys. The only thing I did off camera other than washing my hair and my body was washing my face. I just washed it, so it's like nothing else on it, and I still have to put like the other stuff on it. But now I'm gonna clean my lashes. They needed to be clean anyway because I think it's been like 2 days, but especially now because they got wet in the shower, so I want to go back in and make sure that I clean them. So y'all know, everybody probably had lashes by now, so you already know the deal. The shampoo, the little brushy thing, and then you got blow dry. So I don't really gotta explain too much the vibe. The girls who get it, you know. So yeah, that's
Bitch, I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Know you.
okay. So now I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I'm gonna spray this. Can you see heat protectant on it so it can be soft and like also protect it from the heat of the blow dryer, obviously. So I have this towel because my hair is actually still very wet because I didn't dry it off. I'm about to just blow dry it, and then I'll come back when it's all done. As you can see, I finished blow drying my hair. It took a little while because one, I didn't section it like I normally do my natural hair, and two, I think this hair just holds water or moisture a lot. So like the roots and stuff weren't getting all the way dry. It's still like a bit damp in some places, but I'm just over it at this point, and I'm a little bit hungry, so that's like something too. And I still didn't even like lotion up and like put pajamas on, so I'm like, yeah, no, I'll revisit it. And I was trying to figure out whether or not I wanted to straighten it tonight or tomorrow, because I'm filming another video tomorrow as well. So I was like, should I just put it in that? But like, I'm not sure, guys. I'm gonna see how I'm feeling tonight, and I'll let you guys know. But next, I'm just trying to clean up my space. I already put some of the stuff back, but I'm just trying to clean up, like put this stuff away. And I don't know, y'all, I might straighten it tonight, because like in the morning, am I gonna want to do that? I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned, stay updated to see what I'll do. Okay, so I'm just going to be using these two tonight. This one is the Champagne Toast Lotion from Bath and Body Works. Then this deodorant. Okay guys, I forgot to tell y'all, or I didn't forget, but like I decided to just straighten my hair in the morning because I was tired after I blow dried it, and I don't really feel like doing it now. So I'm just gonna do it in the morning because I really have to like do it section by section. Like actually do it, and it's going to take me a while. I already know, so I'm gonna just go to sleep. I'm done. Okay, so hi guys, I'm back. As you can see, yeah, I just plugged my flat iron in, turning it on now, and we're just gonna get to it because yeah, I wish I had like some topics or like questions to talk about while we go through this, so I don't have to just put music over it, but I don't. Okay, so yeah, I literally just have a couple of clips, a brush just so I can brush some of the crinkles out because I braided it last night before I went to sleep, and then my fine tooth comb for when I do the chase method with my flat iron, just so I can make sure that it gets super duper straight as it can get. So yeah, and I'm going to refresh this part I have to make sure everything is on the right side. I'm gonna figure out the best way to do this, I think, as I go along, but for now I'm gonna just start in the back like this. Need you out of my need it, baby. My heart, my mind, and my body. I do want to mention that I did end up crimping my hair later that night, so like this wasn't the finished product. It was just, you know, straight enough for me to crimp it because it is body wave hair, so it doesn't really get bone straight, but like it was good enough for me to crimp. So I just want to put that disclaimer in case y'all be like, oh, she don't know how to straighten her hair. So guys, let me pause this. Apparently I didn't film an outro, like that was the end of the video. I don't know what was going in my head, what I was thinking, why I thought I finished, but yeah, that's bogus. So I am so sorry that I did not give y'all like a proper outro. Yeah, that's definitely on me, but regardless, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.